Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you and it's one that I've not had in a while and I'm very excited. It is Box of Goth. Box of Goth, if you don't know, is a monthly subscription box and it has all gothic kind of goodies in. There's a theme every month. I'm pretty sure this is the Witches box. I bought this myself. I have had them sent to me in PR before because I get on like a house on fire with the owner. She's amazing balls. But this one is paid for by me. I paid for this for myself because I wanted it. I hadn't had one for ages and I was like, you know what? I want to treat myself. So I did. Look at that. Like, have you ever seen a more beautiful box? I'll wait while you find something. You can't because this is... Ooh. Sounds like there's a bell. I do have a discount code. Which I will put here or down there. I'm not sure where. I can't remember how much it is. I think it's like $24.99. You can subscribe every month and you get it slightly cheaper, but if you do like the one-off boxes like what I've done, oh my fucking god, I've just seen what's in the top. Shitting farts. Oh my god. So we've got the little thing and it says Love Lucy, Urban Legend extras added. Yay! This is what I've just seen, which has just made me go, oh my god, look at this. Oh my god, he's a key ring. He is amazing. I'm gonna have to try and hide him because my 5-year-old is gonna love him, but he's mine. Something smells incredible. And I think it's this Berry Blast Pumice soap. So she's added a couple of, we chat all the time and I've collabed with them before. I have made a card that's been in one of their boxes before and yeah, I absolutely adore them. I think they're amazing and I think the box is amazing. It's one of my favourites, which is why I do, whenever I can afford to buy one, I will buy them. But as I said, they have sent them in PR before and which is why she's just added a couple of little extras into my box, which is just so lovely. Oh my god, this smells fucking amazing. It says Berry Blast Pumice Stone, but it's a foot. Oh, it's taken every ounce of strength not to eat that. Look at that, it's a baby foot. I am known to bite baby feet. Not random baby feet, I have a baby of my own whose feet I like to chew. Let's jump in. So, right, there's normally a little, oh my god, I've just seen Incense. There's normally a little thing that tells you all about everything. I'll see if I can find it. If not, I'm just going to go in it. So the first thing we've got is Marigold. This is dried Marigold. I like to make spell jars and stuff, so this is amazing for me. Marigolds can be added to bath water for attraction and confidence. Add to sleep pillows to invoke prophetic, I'm rubbish at pronouncing anything. Dreams, used in spells for psychic powers, dreams, protection, luck and happiness. Known as the flower of the dead or flor de muerto, the marigold is said to attract the souls of the dead and it can be used in offerings to the dead as a declaration for altars and honour of those who passed. I love that. And yeah, so I like to make little spell jars and stuff. And yeah, they will be amazing. They will be very happily be added to my little altar area and my spell section of my room. Oh my god, this is a bath bomb. I've had one of these before. This is a Witch's Ghastly Green Cauldron bath bomb. Look. How freaking cute is that? Oh my god, the cauldron. I want to get it out. I want to get you out. Shitting farts. Oh, I got it. Oh wow, that smells amazing. What do you smell? What smell are you? Talking to it like it's going to reply. I have no idea what smell this is. That smells incredible. And it's a little like plastic cauldron and then the bath bomb is in the middle. I love that. Next I've got a Blessed Bee air freshener, a vanilla scented air freshener for my car. That's lovely. They like to use like independent businesses and stuff for the contents of the boxes. So anything that I can find that I can link on Instagram, I will do. I'm going to hang that in my car. I've got one in there at the moment, says my other ride is a hearse. So that one will be added to it. Lovely. Next, I've got a candle and some incense. Where's the little thing that tells me what everything is? Are you the little thing that's going to tell me what everything is? Aha, here we go. So we've got a little print, witch's print. The witch's store cupboard is this box. Tea light and incense cones. So we've got a little tea light with flowers in it and then some incense cones. I love incense cones. Well, I love all incense, to be fair. Like, I'm just obsessed. I've got so many incense things and wax melts, and I just like my house to smell witchy. My friends' children, who are slightly older than mine, sort of like 8 and 9, they're terrified to come in my house. They call it the House of Horrors, and I fucking love that. It just makes me happy. My kids aren't scared. There's a lot of creepy dolls, and taxidermy is dead bat up there. There's lots of things that other people's children, I don't think they're weird because it's just what I like, and my kids don't think they're weird because they've grown up with it. But yeah, 2 of my friends have older children and they're both terrified. They won't have a drink if I make them for it because they think I may be trying to poison them, and I'm fucking here for that. I'm here for it. So we've got that. We've got a little print here. Oh my god, that foot thing smells amazing. Print illustration by Lana Sham. Is it that one or is that one by her? I don't know. There's 2 illustrations, but they're both super cute. And then I've got some incense. Oh, I love it. What is this one? Black Magic. What do you smell like? Incense says Black Magic incense stick, but it doesn't tell me what it smells like. Let's have a look and see. Oh, they smell lovely. They smell so nice. I don't know what the smell is. I will ask Box of Goth, and then I will, when I edit it, I'll put it on the screen here, what the scent of these is, because they are delicious. And they're from elementsgiftware.co.uk, which I'll be going to look at after this. A potion bottle. Ooh, fill me with your own moon water, oils and herbs. Me and my little girls made moon water this month, or last month for the first time, which was super fun. And I've been watering my plants with mine, and the girls have been making spell jars with theirs. Oh, this is super cute, and then it's got a little moon on it. That is super cute. I love that. And I've got some tea bags. I've got a nighttime pucker tea and a berry one and an organic one. Oat flower, lavender and lime flower, berries, echinacea and a chamomile. Naturally caffeine free, that's what we love because we can't have caffeine. Awesome. What else have we got? I've got a tiny spoon. This is a carved teaspoon. This is beautiful, look. All of these things are going to go on my altar and it's going to be beautiful. Look at that. And like, that's another thing I love about Box of Goth, that you can just do the monthly boxes if you want, because like not everybody is into like a witch's store cupboard box. But then other months we have other months, what the fuck is wrong with me? Other months, they'll have like Queens of Horror, Kings of Horror. There's so many different boxes that they've had. I'll try and link all my other videos down below for you guys that I've done. I've been getting, I think I first bought my first Box of Goth in 2017. Yeah, and there's just so many different ones that they do, and you always know in advance, so you can go on their website and their Instagram and you can pick which one you want. And they sometimes have leftover boxes from a previous month that you can then pick and choose which ones you like. So yeah, I love that. Next we've got a bell. This is, what does this say? A mini altar bell, so this is just like spells and stuff. And it's just a little silver. I might have that for when I want cups of tea and stuff brought upstairs. What are you? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I think this is a twisted selenite. Is it selenite? I'm rubbish at pronouncing crystals. But it's a wand. Look how beautiful that is. So from memory, selenite is a crystal that can help with sleep, and I think it can help with charging like other crystals, and I think it's just like an all-round like a good energy cleansing crystal, I think. I'm so excited for that. That's amazing. I've got a little jar like here. I've got my look at this. I bought myself this the other day. It's beautiful. I've bought myself an obsidian necklace, and I've just got a little. These have all been charged. They've been charging in salt, and they're ready to go back upstairs again. Right, next we've got oh, it's a mirror. That's so cute. Where are you? I think this might be a little added one, but this is a little, and she's a mirror. That's my camera. Super cute. And then I've got a pentagram candle holder. So there's like a little hole there, so you can do your one candle that you need to for spells. I've got a little broom pencil, which I love. I've got like 4 broom pencils. The kids love them. I think they're amazing. And then I've got 2 little things that are wrapped up. So let's have a little look. What are you? Oh, that's cute. Look, it's a little necklace, and it's got a witch's hat on it. That's super cute. I love that. And then the last thing is oh, I think this might be a little extra from the other one as well. It's a padlock. I fucking love that. And that's like a chokery. That is awesome. Oh, I love it. I think this might be one of my favourite boxes. I say that every single time because I literally love every single box. But I think the crystal, that's amazing. And then everything else smells so good. And I don't know, I'm just kind of embracing my witchy side in the last few months and just saying fuck it and not caring what other people think and just feeling more me. And yeah, so this one spoke to me as I saw it online. I was like, bye. And then I messaged them and was like, I've just bought a box. So yeah, I love it. I will leave all the links down below. I'll try and link all my other videos that I've done for Box of Goth and with Box of Goth down below as well. I'm also having a giveaway at the moment. It's my 10,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm so close. I'm like 400 subscribers away from 10,000, which is just crazy. But yeah, I'll leave all the links. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.